Here we are at the veranda. I'll show you guys our room. Our side bathroom, dual sinks, nice large shower, really good size, plenty of room. A large spacious room, large king-size bed. Sitting area, which also has a fold out. You have a TV on the wall that could swing to either way, either the bed or the couch, wherever you're sitting. You also have a small kitchenette. Pretty much everything you need there. Little table to work on, have any business to do. Overall, very spacious room. With also a closet right there. And then, of course, the veranda.
There's a hummingbird, baby, look.
Beautiful.
See it?
And an amazing view.